Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at some of the best hand mixers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. Breville's hand mixer got top scores in our testing, excelling at whipping egg whites, beating cake batter, mixing oatmeal cookie dough and kneading bread dough. This 9-speed model is able to recognize which attachment you've inserted, beaters, dough hooks or whisks, and automatically adjust its speed to match each task. The beaters have a silicone coating to help prevent scratches and the loud clanking that's sometimes caused by beaters hitting the sides of the bowl. Plus, it has a light that turns on while beating to help you see into the bowl to ensure everything is incorporated, and a built-in timer. It also comes with a case, so you can easily store the attachments. It's a bit pricey, but we think the extra features and attachments make it worth the splurge. Wait for LBS dimensions 3.5 x 8.5 x 10.25, number of speed settings 9 power 240 watts. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. Reviewers have been raving about this budget-friendly hand mixer, so much so that it has gotten over 46,000 5-star reviews. Although we haven't tested this model in the lab yet, Hamilton Beach hand mixers have performed well in past testing. The mixer is equipped with 6 speed settings, though many reviewers noted there isn't a true low speed, so it can be somewhat tricky to start off gently or slowly mix flour into a batter. But what's great is its Quick Burst button, which provides an extra burst of power to whip through firm cream cheese or cookie dough laden with nuts. Another particularly handy feature is the convenient snap-on case to neatly store its 2 beaters and whisk along with the mixer, instead of keeping them loose in a drawer. Weight 2.86 lbs, dimensions 5.7 x 8.3 x 9.2, number of speed settings 6 power 250 watts. Number 3. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. This Cuisinart hand mixer comes with 2 beaters for beating cake batter or buttercream frosting, a whisk for whipping egg whites or cream, 2 dough hooks for kneading bread or pizza dough, and a spatula to help you scrape down the edges of your bowl, a versatile amount of accessories for a variety of baking needs. This mixer has 9 speeds, including 3 low start speeds that help prevent splattering, so you can gently mix ingredients at a 1 or 2 speed or beat through tough batter with a 8 or 9 speed. All of the attachments are dishwasher safe and store nicely in a snap-on case. We also appreciated that the cord swivels so the mixer can easily be used by right or left-handed consumers. While many of the picks offer some of these versatility features, this pick has it all. Note, in our testing, we did have to scrape down the bowl regularly to help mix the cake batter. Wait for LBS dimensions 8.46 x 3.94 x 8.94, number of speed settings 9 power 220 watts. Number 4. Braun Multimix 5-hand mixer. Whether you're new to baking or a seasoned pro, the Braun Multimix 5 is a versatile option with 9 speed settings and a rotating dial, so you can easily swap between incorporating flour into a batter or folding nuts into a dough. It aced our egg white whipping test and our cookie dough test, so you can use it for delicate and heavy baked goods alike. It has only 2 whisks and dough hooks, but the manufacturer says its whisks are multi-use, as they can act as both beaters and whisks. They are easier to clean too, because the whisks' tines are wider and more spread out than typical beaters. Plus, all of the attachments are dishwasher safe, should you choose to go that route, and there's a storage pouch to keep them together. The mixer does only come in black, though. Weight 2.2 lbs, dimensions 8.3 x 3 x 8.7, number of speed settings 9 power 350 watts. Number 5. Oster Hand Mixer with HeatSoft technology. If you're a spur-of-the-moment baker who just can't wait for ingredients to come to room temperature, this model is a great option. It has a built-in fan that will blow warm air into your mixing bowl to gently soften cold butter, so there's no more waiting around for uneven microwaving. In our testing, we found that it was able to soften butter within 1.5 minutes, in contrast to the 30 minutes it usually takes for butter to soften when left out at room temperature. We also liked how comfortable the handle was to hold, and we appreciate that it can sit upright when not in use, so dirty beaters won't touch the kitchen countertop. It has 7 speed settings and can beat through cookie dough, whipped cream and more. It also comes with beaters, dough hooks and a whisk attachment that all fit into a snap-on container. However, take note that all of the attachments are hand wash only. Weight 4.6 for lbs, dimensions for 0.8 x 9.6 x 9.6, number of speed settings 7, power 270 watts. Number 6. KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. KitchenAid's cordless hand mixer is not only an attractive piece of kitchen equipment because of its sleek and rounded design, but it's also cordless, so you're not tethered to an outlet and can use the hand mixer wherever you want. Bonus, since there's no cord, it's great for right or left-handed users. And it comes in 6 other colors, if black isn't your thing. The manufacturer claims you can make up to 4 batches of cookies on one charge. There are 7 speeds and a convenient soft start feature, which allows you to gradually work up to your desired speed while reducing splatter. Though we haven't tested this model yet, according to Amazon reviews, it's quiet, lightweight and it holds its charge. This model comes with only beater attachments and has no storage container. Weight 2.09 lbs, dimensions 11.69 x 3.54 x 7.56, number of speed settings 7, power 12 volts, included attachments beaters.